Y'all can see it's already taking it off. All right, y'all, Philly D back with another one. So we in the garage. We got the G35 right here. So today I'm gonna show y'all this tool that I got. Actually, I've had this tool for about, I don't know, maybe 4 years. So basically it's just like a pressure washer. Basically that's what it is a pressure washer. So I done already cleaned out the inside. I done already swept it out, vacuumed it out. Let me get a light real quick. But this is actually my first time using that tool, so I figured I'll show you guys. So as you can see, I did a test run right here. You see that white mark there? Just like that, just a real quick run. It took it right out. So I'm like, that's crazy. So that's the reason why I bought it in the first place, because I knew it could do that. I just never used it. So I'm just gonna put this thing in action real quick and show y'all how it works. So you're going to need air. All right, the air hooks up to it right here, and then you got a valve right here that lets the air in and out. And then you got your trigger right here, and then you got your valve right here that allows air in or out. I mean, that allows the fluid in or out. So you could do it without air. That's without air, and then you open it up like this and have it with the fluid at the same time. All right, and then this will kind of like vibrate, kind of brush it out for you. So yeah, you're gonna need a compressor. So make sure your compressor is big enough to handle the load of this machine, and then you get the job done. So this thing is gonna turn on and off as I use it. So if it comes on while we're using it, just bear with me because it's gonna be loud. All right, so like I said, I done already vacuumed it out, so I'm just gonna get to it and show you guys how well this thing works. So y'all see these things here? This is clearly black. This is clearly cleaned up, it's white. And up here you see these stains. I'm gonna see if I can get all these stains out. And you got some stains here, right here. So what I got in here is purple clean. Let me show y'all. Let me see. This is the purple clean right here, or super clean. Same shit, dissolves grease, super easy, whatever it says. It works. Always used it. I've always used it. So, let's see. Let's just get to it. Y'all can see it's already taking it off. Holy shit. I think something's getting out right here. Right there. I don't know, but it's making me cough. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. As you can see, this whole spot It barely even feels wet, but this whole spot is pretty much clean. Like, y'all remember the spots was all up in here. I can even hit that better. But it's clearly working, y'all. I want to let the compressor build back up a little bit so I can get the full power. I see Philly D working up there. Where you at? What we doing? 2016 Nissan Rogue. Lower control arm. Getting it in, boy. Making that money. Damn. Should have said cover y'all ears. Look at Philly D though. He working, getting it in. These my older videos, y'all. If y'all like, go to my older videos. I got a lot more mechanic work. You know, it's a whole lot more mechanic work on my older videos. So if y'all want to see stuff like mechanical work, go check out my older videos. Yeah, it was much better. It was a little more privacy. I had to record my little videos and shit. So depending on, you know, what I was doing. So yeah, but here I'm taking out this control arm right here. Knocking out the lower control arm. Getting that ball joint out right there. Yep. Check it out, y'all. Go back to the older videos, y'all see some shit. But yeah, check it out. Y'all can see how much clearer, how much whiter that is. So I'm pretty much gonna do the whole car like this. You know what I mean? Get this thing looking right. Yeah, like here. Look how dirty that is here. Let's see if we can knock that out real quick. I'll show y'all that. Of course, I'm not gonna show y'all the whole car. It'd be kind of like pointless to do all this same thing all the way around the car. I don't want to bore you guys. All right, I'm trying to get this light set up somewhere so y'all can see. All right, so let's see how dirty that is right there. Let's hit it up and see what we can do. Let me switch hands, y'all. I got this cord running over here. Hold on. It's looking better already, though. All right, hold on. Dirt right here. Now y'all can use this machine on anything, so it don't matter what it is. So I'm gonna take off this dirt here. You see how I hit it up here a little bit, then comes down, gets dirty. Let's take some of that off. Let's get that spot right there. I took that right up. I took that right up. Look at that. Alright. Let me get this spot. I think y'all catch my drift by now. This thing does work. And I still got like that much fluid in there. Let's get it. Y'all see how easy it's taking up this dirt? Like, that's crazy. Alright. It was turning off, but I turned it off anyway. But yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all how good this tool is, man. Like I said, this is my first time using it. I used it real quick yesterday just to make sure the drone was gonna work or whatever, but it definitely worked. Y'all see how easy it took that took those stains up. And these are stains that's been there for years. Like, this is stains that were there before I got the car. So these are old stains, and as y'all can see, like, look at that. And I wasn't even really like trying. I'm just doing this really just real quick just to show y'all what it can do. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure if I make another pass, you know, this should have looked like it's brand new. So I still got to do the driver's side, got to do the back. You know, I'll probably do all the interior, go up over the interior. That's the good thing about it. You can clean anything with it. I mean, clean the doors, clean all this shit up with that. So I'm gonna have some more fun with it. But yeah, y'all. As far as the Infinity's driving fine, man. This thing it's a baller. This car is running great, man. I use it every day. As you can see, I'm cleaning it up. You know what I'm saying? Because why not? I'm driving it. It got to be clean. So, but yeah, y'all see the they call this thing the Tornado. I don't know if I told y'all the name, but it's called a Tornado. But they got different versions of this thing. They got different versions, like different manufacturers that came out and made their own versions. But the original version is it's called the Tornado or Tornado, something like that. So yeah, man, it works. You could put whatever solution you want to put in there. Don't have to be anything specific. It could just be straight water with the pressure, or it could be some type of chemical cleaner with the water. You know, like I said, you can close this valve where all it's going to do is blow air. You know, and then you can just blow shit off. So yeah, man, it's a perfect tool. You know what I mean? It does what it's intended to do. And it's pretty efficient at it, as y'all can see. So I'll probably end up doing well, probably not. I was gonna say I'd probably end up doing the rims with it, but I got a pressure washer to do the rims with it and shit. So yeah, so there it is, man. Try it out. I think the original version is like $160 or something like that, but I think I found this one on eBay for like, I think like 60 or 80 bucks or something like that. And it came with all the attachments, the brushes and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Pretty simple. But yeah, man, if y'all got a G35, comment below. Let me know how you clean your car or how you clean your interior. Shit like that, man. You know, like the video, share the video, comment below. All that good stuff, man. And I'll check you on the next one.